Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health highlights. Pharmexcil suspends membership of Marion Biotech. The Pharmaceuticals Export Promotion Council of India, a body under the Ministry of Commerce, has suspended the membership of Marion Biotech Private Limited after the company failed to reply to it on the report of children's death allegedly caused by the firm's cough syrup in Uzbekistan. The drug maker will lose some incentives due to the suspension. The incentives offered by the DOC through Pharmexcil will not be extended until the suspension is revoked, according to sources. Noida-based Marion Biotech, under the scanner following the death of 18 children in Uzbekistan allegedly after consuming its cough syrup, is the flagship firm of Aminox Group, which also has a presence in real estate and hospitals. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.